The Samsung Galaxy M16 is an upcoming mid-range smartphone that brings an exciting mix of performance, design, and features to the table. It is expected to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, coupled with 8 GB of RAM, and will run on the Android 14 operating system, ensuring smooth performance and access to the latest features. The device will likely feature a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 800 nits, offering vibrant visuals and a fluid user experience. In terms of photography, the Galaxy M16 is rumored to include a versatile triple-camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 5MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro camera, along with a 13MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. Battery life is expected to be a strong point, with a substantial 6,000 mAh battery that supports 35W fast charging, ensuring the device remains powered throughout the day with minimal downtime. Storage options are likely to range from 128 GB to 256 GB, with support for microSD expansion up to 1 TB, catering to users with diverse storage needs. Additional features may include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for easy and secure access, 5G connectivity for fast internet speeds, and a durable build enhanced by Gorilla Glass protection. With its impressive specifications and focus on user experience, the Samsung Galaxy M16 is poised to become a compelling choice for those seeking a feature-rich and reliable smartphone at a competitive price.